So when you see any kind of pain, any kind of inflammation in an area, this boils down to your lymphatic system weakness and your kidney filtration weakness. Why? Because whenever there's inflammation in an area, the lymphatic system's job is to remove that waste, take it to the lymph nodes where it's processed, and then sent to the kidneys where it's eliminated. If that pathway is compromised in any way, shape, or form, you will have inflammation. It is systemic. However, you will feel it in the parts that have the most activity. Since when you are active, you're generating more metabolic waste, and it's being trapped. The pain will be localized there. However, the whole body is compromised lymphatically and in terms of the kidney filtration. So the goal is to use herbs to address the lymphatic system, the kidneys, and the adrenal glands. Adrenal glands, of course, are important because they fight inflammation for you as well. You can also use castor oil packs on the area. This will reduce the inflammation. However, it should be used on a daily basis. You can use castor oil with cayenne pepper, which push blood flow to that area as well. It will take a little bit of time, but you need to open the pathway. Once the pathway has opened up, okay, from the cell to the lymph node through to the kidneys, you will see that the inflammation goes away and you make a quick recovery. Progress will be steady. You will see progress as you go along, okay?